Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another one from Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you, baby.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
So I am here. I am in my Nadula Hair robe. We have our Nadula Hair gifts. Okay. I love a gift baggie. Some wig caps. We obviously have our robe and our wig bag. And I'm coming through with something easy or relatively easy to us because we do these often. And so this is a 13x4 body wave wig. I can't remember the density, so I'll let you guys know on the other side while I'm styling her. I kind of want to go for big, sexy glam curls. Tonight, my girlfriend and I are going to The Awakening. It's a new show over at the Wynn. So we're doing like a cute little girls night. So shout out to my girlfriend Stephanie. Her and I are hanging out tonight. We're gonna do our Kiss Gel Fantasy nails. I know I don't have any nails on, but I will have on some soon. Okay, and I'm going for big sexy glam hair. Big sexy glam hair, superlatively beat face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the wig on first. Okay, it's early. It's 11:55 a.m. I don't have to be ready to leave until about 7 because our reservation for dinner is 7:30. And in the meantime, I'm going to go and see if I can find some rollers, not the Velcro ones. I just want some plain rollers that I can roll these up with because I want the big sexy glam. Now we do have our Conair heated rollers, so I may leverage those. But I wanted to give you guys a look first. I'm gonna shut my mouth, throw this wig on. We are doing a bald cap method. Yes, she's already bald headed. I did a darker cap. We're gonna see how that's gonna work out. I do love the way that the lace is relatively tinted, and it's look how that looks. That looks really good, like really good. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. They gave us a band, baby, because they want to make sure our wig stays on our head, because a lot of y'all have a problem with that. Okay, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. And I'm gonna shut my mouth and throw this on. All right, today I'm using the hair diagram bold hold. Everything I'm using today will be linked in my Amazon store, baby. I'm back to this. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna let y'all know on the other side if I'm feeling it or not, because I stopped using this because it was getting too flaky and I wasn't with it. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we can get back to where we were before. Okay.
All right, my loves, let's get on into this Nadula hair. This is 150% density, 13x4 lace front wig. First things first, I'm actually a very big fan of Nadula hair. Okay, very big. I am not a fan, however, of my ball cap. I don't know what it is. First of all, I do know what it is. It's 1, the way I cut the bald cap, and 2, the fact that it's a little bit darker than what I want it to be, but that's fine. I really want lace on the skin and then the cap to be super brown underneath, which is why I'm chopping it up a little bit right now. So I'm just going to go on through and get this wig together. This is a normal lace front unit, 13x4. She does have some baby hairs. Also, I believe I have her in 24 inches. For 24 inches at 150% density, this unit is relatively expensive. However, and this is a big however, the way that the texture of this hair is just outstanding. Like, I really cannot say enough how much I enjoyed not only installing this unit, but curling her up. She really does have a beautiful texture of hair. I really did enjoy getting this together, and she held the curl all night. When I mean, I was bouncing and bopping all over the place, honey. So this unit, again, on Nadula.com, you can check her out. I think every woman, man, child, whoever, okay, them, they, there, needs to have a body wave wig. You just gotta have one, and you need to have a good one, okay? Because when I tell you, in my everyday life, do you hear me? In my everyday life, with the glue still stuck on the mammy tapping lace, I will snatch this thing right together and throw her right up on my head. I tell you no lies, okay? I might tell you a joke, but I won't tell you a mammy tapping lie. So I'm just gonna go on through. I'm gonna use my Conair heat rollers because no, I could not find any rollers in the street to get this together, okay? Now, I also am using my Revlon barrel curlers, as well as, I really do forget the name of my other set of curlers. I'll figure it out and probably throw it in here. But the point is that we're going to get it together and we're going to make it super, super duper hot. Get these curls nice, big, sexy, and bouncy, and get this unit together. The cap construction of this unit is absolutely positively stunning, but that really is indicative of Nadula units. I really don't have a problem typically with their lace and how it lays. I think that the star of this show is the hair. The hair was so soft to the touch. It was insane. So again, I'm just using my Conair rollers. They are heat rollers. I just go on through with my barrel curlers and get the curl correct. And then I take the heat rollers and let them set. So what happens is that you let them sit for about, I let them sit for a couple hours and I got the rest of myself together and let them cool down so you can get the nice, big, sexy, bouncy curl. I'm going to be quiet, okay? I think I've said enough and I'm going to see y'all on the other side.
I'm obsessed. She stinks, she's nasty, she's ready to go. Reminder, I'm on my way to the Wynn. So you want to be cute when you're going to the Wynn because it's one of the better, casinos. And I'm not opposed to a free drink. You picking up what I'm saying? So this unit is giving glam, love, sex, and magic. I'm in my all leather from, I got this outfit from Express. I'm into this. I'm so into this. It's not even funny. She's bouncy. She's sexy. I think I'm giving. Do y'all think I'm giving? This unit is phenomenal. Let me tell you something I do right here. Every time I get a unit from them, I'm like, it's better than the last one. And sometimes we get some and I just be like, I don't know about this one. But this one thing they could do is a bust down body wave, okay? One thing they can do is a big body bands wave, all right? And that's what we're getting here. Are you into this? Am I not giving love, sex, and magic? Because that's the look I'm going for. The look I'm going for is love, sex, and magic. The look I'm going for is my curls stay because the money, because my bills is paid. Bitch, I gotta go. My girlfriend just told me she late, I'm late, we late. I gotta go. This unit is fire. Y'all know damn well y'all need to go grab her. I really don't have nothing else to say because she said it all. And this John Frieda Volumizer spray? Phenomenal. This with this? Grab her and have a good night, you beautiful mother jumpers.